How many elements are there in the universe? No one can answer this question accurately. However, scientists at the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research located in Dubna have made significant progress in studying this very issue in recent decades. A series of 5 popular science lectures titled Synthesis of Superheavy Elements by the famous academician Yuri Oganessian is dedicated to shedding some light on this topic. A few highlights from these lectures deals with the origin of nuclei and elements in the universe, various approaches to the artificial synthesis of elements heavier than uranium, the existence of the so-called island of stability, as well as the prospects for obtaining new nuclei at the Jinar Accelerator Complex in Dubna, a factory of super-heavy elements. We have only scratched the surface in terms of discovering and understanding super-heavy elements and their properties. This road promises to be exciting and full of new discoveries.
Hi, my name is Karen Rousseau, and I'm the voice behind the English version of Professor Oganessian's Russian lectures. We had a great time working with him and his team, transforming the Russian into the English. And a lot of research and a lot of reading went into it, since my background is not in science at all. I really do hope that you enjoy the videos as much as we enjoyed making them.